Zero. Zero means scratch. So you start from the scratch. Unfortunately, at this university, you started English from the scratch. You learned little reading in primary school and in high school and in college. Very little. Just reading. Little bit writing. Most of you have memorized and finished, right? So the thing is that when she makes grammatical mistakes, the teacher punishes her. When you are in class 7, when you wrote something, the teacher punished him, and his mother also punished him because গর্দভ তুই 0 পেয়েছিস কেন? He got 8 out of 10. So what will you do? You will stop writing your own way. As you have written on your own, you made mistakes. Teachers hasn't given you marks, and your mother also is very angry with you. So that is how what happens. You dropped writing on your own. You started memorizing. So memorizing is the worst thing. It is called throwing up. Throwing up means vomiting. Throwing up means vomiting. She got 8 out of 10. Her mother is very happy. Her teacher is also happy, and the mother knows that the private of hers is also very happy. But there was no credit. The credit did not go to the teacher. Is because she has memorized. So Rabindranath will say, your daughter was vomiting, was throwing up. তোমার মেয়ে দেখলাম পরীক্ষার হলে বমি করছে, throwing up. কি বলেন, তুই বমি করেছিস? না মা, আমি তো বমি করিনি। না, আমার মেয়ে বমি করেনি, 10-এর মধ্যে 8 পেয়ে। But Rabindranath insists that she has vomited. So it's figurative language. She has memorized a paragraph. She wrote on the copy, rote learning. That's called vomiting. Vomiting. মুখস্থ করে ওইটা লেখাকে রবীন্দ্রনাথ কি বলেছে? বমি করা বলে। So the same thing has happened. So you are not responsible. Your teachers are responsible. Your parents don't know. 10-এ 8 পেয়েছে. That's it. How? They don't know. Unfortunately, he memorized and got 8. So why did he memorize? Is because if he makes mistakes, the teacher will not give him mark. Can he write correct English in the beginning? No. In the beginning, can he write English? No. A child, can he go alone in the market? No. Let the child grow fast. When you are 15 years old, your parents allow you to go outside alone because you're grown up. So when you are a little kid, you can go outside alone. You have to go with your parents or other friends. So when you are very little, you can't write in English correctly. You will make a lot of mistakes. So a lot of mistakes. So what I'm going to do is give you marks. He has written a paragraph on his own. I'll give him marks. No matter how many mistakes he has committed. I have to give him opportunity to grow independent. He makes mistake, maybe 500. Next year he will make 400. This is how what happens when he is sitting for the SSC exam. He will make no more mistake. His mistakes are no more. As you are not given marks, you are bound to memorize because you have to make your parents happy. You have to make your teachers happy. And you have to be promoted into next class. This process is vicious. So it's something like this circle. Primary school, high school, college, and now you're at university. No English, no nothing. And it happens here. So even when you pass BCS officers can't speak English. A rickshaw puller can't believe. If I speak English and a rickshaw puller, if I tell that BCS officer can't speak English, he will not believe it. BCS পাশ করলো কেমনে? এমনিই পাশ করে। In the oral test is just a few questions. ইংলিশে হয়তো কিছু প্রশ্ন করলো, একটা মুখস্থ বা কিছু একটু বললো. It's because the oral test, those who take the oral test are not that much good in speaking.